Okay, here is the panel of members. You can search for members by name. Oh, I've got some filters, so if you try and search and you've got filters there, it won't come up, and if you take the filter off, it will. So this is my public profile on the software and how to contact me. Use the little arrow to go back. What I'd encourage you to do is firstly search for your own name. Now I know that Dee has updated her profile, so I'll search for Dee. Hope you don't mind Dee showing you again. Her location in Queensland, her qualifications, and also with practice areas. This is a free form field and you can put in the different types of mediation you do. With searching, what you'll need to do is use filter, and you can do something like, and Dee's the only one that's put in those extra details so that she's got that there. If I wanted to change the filter, you can search by language. So those of you who are fluent in more than one language, it would be highly advantageous for you to put that in. We're still building who's on the actual panels, but things like child consultant and other types of panels are something that we'll be able to apply. And with dispute resolution qualifications, these we put in, it will bring up the mediators with those qualifications. So if it isn't accurate, so let's say you've added a qualification and we haven't caught up with that, please have a look. If there are changes that are needed in any of the information, or you don't want to have a public profile, then use the form on MI members to update.